What's going on, family? I'm here on the beautiful Quantum of the Seas. This is my first time taking an Alaskan cruise. I'm super excited. I'm cruising with my mother. So I'm going to do a tour of the room that I'm staying in. It's a single occupancy room. Really neat. Royal Caribbean has started with these single occupancy rooms for people just traveling along. So me and my mom, we are traveling together, but we have our own rooms. So I'm going to give you guys a tour of this single occupancy room on Royal Caribbean's Quantum of the Seas. So I'm here on deck 8 in room 230. This right here is the room. It's a small room because it is a single occupancy room. Okay, we have the bed right here. It's a nice sized bed. It's not it is a full bed. It's not a twin bed. It's a full size bed. On other cruise lines, I've had single occupancy rooms and you had to sleep in a twin bed. So this is a nice full-size bed, especially with being here on the Quantum of the Seas for an entire week. Okay, so we have the mirror right here. We have the little seating area there. Over here, we have a little drawer here. Right here is where the icebox is. Okay. We have a nice size TV. I think it's a 52 inch. It's a nice size TV. Okay. We have another little area here. You can put and store clothing or what have you. On top, right over here, we have your closet. They have plenty of hangers. So you use this area here for long dresses that you may have. You have your wonderful safe. We have two drawers right here to fold up your clothes, store your clothes. Also, you can also put luggage and storage underneath the bed if you would like. And right here, I don't know how to work it, figure it out. You can program this to turn on and you can see the ocean, or you can program to whatever you want to see outside, ocean, mountains, or what have you. It's just a little monitor there. This right here is the bathroom here on Quantum of the Seas. As you can see, for this to be a individual room, single occupancy room, this is a large shower. Okay, you have the mirror right here in the sink area. You have plenty of room to store a toothbrush, what have you, deodorants, whatever you got with you, you can store everything here. You have plenty of room. The toilet, I like the toilet area. Most cruise lines, they have stuff all next to the seat. You can't even sit down and enjoy using the restroom because you're so tight in. I guess they heard the complaints, and now you have plenty of room to use the restroom, and it's more comfortable. They've given you more towels. And this right here is Royal Caribbean's single occupancy room here on the beautiful Quantum of the Seas.